Then see the second figure. Here connected V1 is equal to 0 and V2 is equal to 5 volt. Okay, so V1 is the short circuit by using the crocodile pins in our chassis. Supply is the off. Okay, this is the V1. In that this crocodile pin in first figure connected V2 is the short. So this crocodile pins is connected V1. Voltage is short. Okay, and apply the V2 is equal to, in our figure, V2 is equal to 5 volt. So in this power supply pins which are connected in a V2 voltage here. Okay, and apply the 5 volt voltage in power supply here. Firstly, set the 7 volt in first figure. Second figure, here set the 5 volt supply in power supply. Okay, in this way set the 5 volt. Then apply the load. Here load is the 1 kilo ohm. Okay, see the 1 kilo ohm load and observe the A to B point voltage and current. See, voltage and current we are observe. Okay, in this way we are observe the current and voltage. See the connected 1 kilo ohm resistor and see the in multimeter voltage is display 2.71 and here current. And note down the observation table. In current and voltage is the V double dash and current is the I double dash. Here apply the 1 kilo ohm resistor and see the current as well as voltage. Okay, voltage is the 2.65. Okay, note down the voltage is the 2.65. Okay, and I double dash current is the, see the current is the 2. Note down here I double dash is the 2. Okay, in this way connected 560 ohm load resistor. Okay, see, in this way voltage is the 2.29 and current is the 2. And note down the reading on a observation table. In this way the figure first and second, when the voltage V1 is equal to 7 volt, V2 is equal to 0 volt, we observe the V double dash voltage, apply the 1 kilo ohm resistor load and apply the 680 ohm resistor. Okay, and observe the V double dash voltage and V dash voltage and I dash voltage, as well as the when the voltage is V1 is equal to 0 volt and V2 is equal to 5 volt, and we observe the V double dash voltage and I double dash current. Okay, then you see the figure 3, when voltage V1 is equal to 7 volt and V2 is equal to 5 volt. So here apply the two different power supplies. Okay, we apply the V1 voltage and V2 voltage. Okay, here in our laboratory in chassis, here apply already V1 voltage and V2 voltage is here commonly connected, that means the short. Okay, here apply the second power supply. Here apply the second power supply in the V2 voltage. See here connected V2 voltage. Okay, and V1 voltage is set to the 7 volt and V2 voltage is set to the 5 volt. Here this is the V1 voltage set to the 7 volt by varying the knob. See, in this way. Okay, and see, in the, this is the second power supply. V2 is set to the 5 volt. Okay, now here apply the 1 kilo ohm resistor load and observe the output voltage, A to B point voltage and current. Okay, see, the voltage is 6.16. okay, and these voltages note down in the here in our observation table. Here voltage V in 6.15. okay, when apply the 1 kilo ohm load, and current is the, here see, current is the two small lines, that means the 4. okay, here note now the current, capital I is the 4. okay, same that way here apply the load. Here change the load is the 560 ohm. okay, so here load is the 560 ohm and observe the voltage as well as the current. okay, voltage is the 5.38. okay, 5.38. here note down the 5.38. okay, and see, here the current is two small lines, that means the 4. okay, so note down the current is 4. okay, in this way the observe the V1 is equal to 7 volt applied voltage and V2 is equal to 5 volt applied voltage, and observe the 1 kilo ohm resistor load is connected in circuit diagram, and observe the A to B point. This is the A point, this is the B point. okay, A to B point voltage is observed on a multimeter and current is observed on a current meter. okay, now see, the both two different loads are applied in our circuit connection, and observe the different voltage and current. okay, see, here in our observations, here calculated voltage and current. okay, calculated voltage V is equal to V dash plus V double dash. see, V dash is the 2.66. okay, plus V double dash is the 2.65. okay, here calculation is so calculation is 5.31. now see, the here calculated voltage is the 5.31, then 4.70, current is 4 and 4. so here we tally the observed voltage and current and calculated voltage and current. Both voltage and current are same. okay, ते दोन्ही voltage सेम येणार आहेत किंवा थोडीशी जवळपास येणार आहे. that is the here these superposition theorem are verified by using the linear and bilateral networks which are used here. so result is, from observation table it is seen that the calculated voltage and current is same as the algebraic sum of all voltages produced by the single source while replacing the other source with its the internal resistance. okay, in this way this superposition theorem is verified in our laboratory. I think got it all of you, this experiment, no doubt anyone. okay, stop here and thank you all of you.